YouTube.
You irritating.
Well, I'm back with another video. And today, what are we doing? We're just grocery shopping right now. And later, I'm gonna try something on camera, but I can't tell y'all yet. So yeah.
Stay tuned like the Looney Tunes.
Right. I'm looking for coconut water. I don't even know where they'll be at. Oh, I see. Coconut water right here. If y'all know I'm getting coconut water, then y'all should know what it should be ideal. Y'all should know what I'm kinda gonna try. So yeah.
Let's get these meats, because the meats should be first, and then it's stuff on top of the meat.
Yeah, so I'll see y'all in a second. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment for more videos. But yes, y'all, so where's the milk? That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, y'all see the fat looking raggedy. But yes, so make sure I do that. Blah blah. And then now I'll see y'all soon, or well, I'll see y'all in a second. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, y'all got a package. So open the camera. What's your next address? That's what I got from AliExpress. That said delivered and it never came, but now it's coming. So I got 3 things. They put them all together.
I mean, well, look what kind of fun I'm trying to have around all these people in this pilot.
I'll do this first. I already know what this is. It's another tripod. That's all I was waiting on. I thought it was gonna come. So I'm gonna get another one yesterday. But this is black. It's the same one I got. It didn't have what you call it. This one. It's accessories. Here's the second thing. Pretty sure you know what that is. I gotta put it on for y'all to know. It's the second thing.
What you get?
Oh, I thought it was on. It's another nose ring. It's a regular hoop. Is this how it's look? This look alright? This look alright? So I like this one better than the other one. Should have got gold and silver. But I wear gold jewelry more than silver, so. Yeah, that's what I got. AliExpress. I thought it wasn't gonna come.
It's my hair today. Got a couple on trying to come out.
I'm still getting my refunds though, because they should never did that. We'll see y'all when I get home. Alright, I'm back home. Oh shit. And I got this brush. This brush right here, so I'm about to try on my hair. I need to redo my hair. Because I have not been using gel, so I got some today. And it's getting hot outside, so now my hair is frizzing up. It's just, I need some gel. So I just cut that thing off. Pretty sure y'all seen this before. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's flexible. See the tangler brush, you know. I need to put, it says long handle for comfort and grip. snag and tangle free, use on wet and dry hair, and it's gentle on your scalp. You don't pull your breakage or something like that. That's what it said. Y'all see how it's like flexible? See that? Ooh, yeah. I like this. This is good. This is needed. Y'all need this. Last some gel. Oh my god, I have not had gel in my hair so long. I need to check one of my pants pockets because I have my money in there. And I am get to do it. And then I'm gonna plop on this scarf. Oh my god. All this stuff. Oh, I got a silver one too. I should have got a silver hoop. But I wear gold more than I wear silver. So yeah. I'll see y'all once I think I'm gonna do it with Maya. I'm gonna see y'all once we try the stuff. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm sit y'all right here. My sister, she's gonna try with me. So we're gonna do all that. Once she'll get herself together. Turn your chain around. So I'm about to get this stuff. I don't know. So we have coconut water. Just don't talk. Don't say it yet. They don't know yet. To bring y'all down a little bit. So right here we have coconut water. This is not the kind I was looking for, but the one I was looking for, I'll put the picture right here. But yeah, so I got this kind. Got some strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, but they didn't have the regular blueberries, so I have to get this. I'm gonna use the blueberries out of this. Ooh, I can use the strawberries out of here too, so they're gonna need to open this, but only for Maya, probably. So I'm gonna get two bowls. About to rinse them. We're gonna wash up this fruit, and here, rinse this one off. So this fruit. We have to rinse off. We have to clean it. So I'll be back with y'all once we do that, and I'll start answering. Alright guys, we have an ice tray because you're gonna need ice, which like only a few of them is done, but oh well. So we just rinsed off these, and so the bowl, I'm gonna put the ice in first. I think I want to show y'all. Can y'all see? So yes, we got our bowls. The one we'll do first is the ice. Oh, y'all done. I'm gonna put two. I'm gonna just do one.
I got some for two.
It's not a big bowl. You want two?
Yeah.
Oh my god, two.
I just put my jacket on.
For what?
I just want to put my jacket on.
I'll do that, and let me add in blueberries. Some just fed. Gonna add in blueberries. These pineapples in the way.
Just take them out.
Put these to the side. She had her blueberries. If they come out, dang. I mean, y'all see me struggling. And I'm gonna add strawberries. These pineapples trying to go in my bowl. So now Maya, she gonna get these. How many I got? 4? Get you one more. That's berries. People usually add all of them, but I'm not doing a big bowl. So yeah, add some in hers. Who's that, Black?
I think about just came in here. I think I'm going out the kitchen.
It's enough?
Yep.
Let's do a thumbnail before we put the stuff in here. I'm supposed to be answering questions. Hold on. Let me answer at least 2 before I start. I forgot all about it. My Lord. We're gonna answer at least 2 and then we'll go for it, alright? Alright, how old am I? I am 15, about to be 16 in a month and some days. About like a week or something like that. A month and some weeks. May 10th vlog coming for that. Dream job, or my dream career, I believe, like as of right now, would be an interior designer, but I'm still not sure if that makes sense. Can you do a lookbook?
What is a lookbook?
It's just when you show your outfits. Just stay tuned. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have 2 of them. I'll pop in like a picture of them. How many siblings do I have? I have 5. This is 1 that I live with. I have 3 brothers and another sister. Yeah, and I'm the oldest. Am I single? No. Favorite snacks? Favorite snacks would be the lime Doritos, and that's really like what I eat as a snack. But yeah, my favorite color is still light green and lime green and light pink. My ideal of a dream wedding. I'll just like the setting. I want mine like on a beach, you know, because I don't want to go into too much detail and then the ice go melt. I'm gonna add another one. So we're gonna add these, and then I'm gonna answer more questions after.
We try to tie it.
Coconut water.
I never tried coconut water. Let's try it. What's that like?
It don't smell like nothing. Got to pour it in. Alright, wait.
Yeah, it don't smell like nothing.
Okay, wait. You get thirsty. Scoot in the camera so they can see.
Y'all, this should look like, y'all can't see it because I want to tilt my bowl a little bit.
Okay, this what hers look like. And then this was mine look like. We're gonna do another thumbnail picture. I'm just trying to share and shit y'all up like, why don't I want to go right? She got to scoot in. Your stuff. Hold on. Let me clean my background. Put this ice up. Give it to Black. I'm doing that picture.
Black! I'll give this when we come back down here.
Alright, y'all. So, I'm gonna get the camera so you can see. Alright, about to try nature cereal. Make sure you get everything on it. But,
I don't think I can get the ice, but...
Not the ice. You don't have to get the ice. I'm trying to get a strawberry. I'm scared. Hold on. I'm trying to get everything. I don't like. Trying to get everything.
Girl, if you can't get everything, just don't get...
Alright. Ready? Go. You don't like it? It's good to me. It's good.
It's good, but it is nasty.
What?
How is it good but nasty? Makes sense.
I don't make sense.
That don't make sense. It's a 10 out of 10. No, I wouldn't say 10 out of 10. I'll say 8.
This should be my breakfast in the morning.
It ain't bussin'.
It's gonna be bussin'. Woohoo, look at that hot sauce. Yeah.
Let me answer another question. Let me just put y'all hand down. Y'all see me. Has life changed for you badly since Corona? No, it hasn't. Ever since then, I have a little more patience. I'm liking school more. I get my work done faster. So, yeah, it changed good. It didn't change badly, actually. It changed badly. Do you have any advice on school? Just stay focused and don't play when it's not the time to play. Make sure you get your work done. Make sure you get your grades good. Turn your work in on time. Who are your closest friends? That would be. Do I say the name? I guess. I have. How many?
We have a lot of friends.
Got it! Whoa!
I only have 3 close friends. That would be Latanya, Cintish, Julia. I don't have any other friends. So yes, those are my closest friends.
I don't like the coconut water.
Other than that, I don't have no friends. So yeah, when is my birthday? May 10th. What are your future plans? My future plans is basically to do something that I like, something that I love, something that I enjoy, and basically be successful, accomplish my goals. How is school going? It's going good. Like I said, get my work done faster. Let me put it over here. Or right here. Yeah, I get my work done faster. All that is just good.
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get these blueberries.
Don't go nowhere.
No.
Favorite thing about YouTube? I don't really know. Favorite thing, I'm guessing I mean favorite thing doing on YouTube, I guess. Making videos. It's fun. So I guess I'll, creating content. Least favorite thing about YouTube, I don't think I have one. Yeah, I don't think I have one. I don't know. But yeah, what question was I on? Which one was I doing? Y'all see this? It's mostly water or whatever. But This is the water. This is the coconut water. This is not the one I was looking for. I already put the picture up there. Probably if I didn't.
For?
It said Vita or something like that.
Zeta. What?
Vita, that's the brand. Kind of was looking for. But they only have this, so I have to get what I have to get. What question was I on? Okay. Do you have a boyfriend? Yes. Yes. Oh, speaking of that, make sure y'all go watch. Ooh, why do I look burnt? Make sure y'all go to our couples channel. We actually did a video some time ago, probably like a couple of weeks ago. Make sure y'all go. Check that out. I'll put in the description, or it might be like a card up here. So yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe and go check that out. Let's see. For your biggest supporter, please shout me out. Y'all go follow Cintiche. I'll put her Instagram up right there. How was my day? It was actually good, you know. Y'all seen what I did today. Here, Black. Get Black in me. But yes, y'all. My day was good. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Peace. See y'all. Sure. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I'm sorry, I keep getting distracted. But yeah, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow. For more videos. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'm about to get the editing and all that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.